everybody. Welcome to our Salem Public Library School Age STEAM program. I'm Miss Renee, and I'm wearing my mask because masks are required in the library, but we are open, so you can come see us now. I'm in a closed room by myself, so I'm going to take mine off. But if you're in the library, be prepared to see us all wearing masks. We're just trying to keep everybody safe. This is the second video, which maybe you're doing this one first, it doesn't matter, for our School Age STEAM program for July. And I'm so glad you guys can all join me. I'm trying to do these videos pretty fast just so they don't take very long. If I go too fast for you, please feel free to stop or rewind, whatever you need to do to keep up. We're just trying to keep everything short because I know everybody's a little tired of watching videos. So, part of our, I didn't bring up my sample to show you. Part of our theme this summer, our theme is Imagine Your Story. We were going to focus a lot on Greek mythology, and one of my favorite elements of Greek mythology is the Labyrinth, which is a really big maze. And I know there's a difference between labyrinth and maze, and I can't remember what that is. But we are going to make our own little tiny miniature labyrinths tonight. So out of your kit, I need you to get your CD case. So you should have an empty CD case. There's no CD in it. All it is the case. In your kit, you also have they're called wiki sticks. They're these little bright colored, they kind of look like strings. They're kind of a little bit sticky. You should have 5 or 6 down in there. I think we were putting 5 in. So, there's the last one. So fetch those. And you also have in your bag, that's a spare Ziploc. There it is. You should have another small baggie. That one has our clay for next month. Well, is that it? Well, I didn't intend to take apart my whole kit here. Maybe I already took it out. Well, you should have another Ziploc bag. I actually took mine out to make my sample. In that other Ziploc bag, you're going to find 2 itty bitty tiny little white beads. These are very, very small. So once you take them out, make sure you set them somewhere they're not going to roll away. So that you're going to have your 2 little tiny beads. I can make mine without, not a problem. I'll stick them in later. Okay, so our maze, our round edge of our CD case is the borders of our maze. And the top part, this is going to close our maze up so that our little maze participants, which are beads, can't escape. The wiki sticks, they really are string if it's just coated with wax, so they're a little bit sticky, which is great because we don't need glue for this, which means you can remake it and redesign it multiple times. So all you're going to do is use your wiki sticks, and if you squeeze them just a little bit between your fingers, they'll warm up a little bit. It's actually really cold in here. It's by being very hot outside. That'll just soften them up, make them just a little bit stickier. They will stick right to the plastic on the inside of your case. Not like a super, glued on sticky, but enough. So you are going to use your wiki sticks to create a maze for, say we're going to use little tiny beads. I just kind of squished mine down just a little bit. And just use all, you can use all of them. just rolling them in my hands to warm them up. So it's hot outside, but it's actually quite cool in the library. Okay, so, give your labyrinth, your maze, some twists and turns. Because you are going to be the one that has to navigate through it with your beads. Let's see. Trying to decide what direction do I want to make my beads go. And like I said, the great thing about these is that they will come right off if you just pull on them. So if you get your maze done and you're just thinking, that was kind of fun, but I think I can make it better. Take it apart and build it again. It's your maze, so be creative and make it however you want. Now the beads that we're going to use as our little people, or what we're sticking in our maze, are not perfectly round because I couldn't find something small enough and round enough to go into these very flat cases. So they do work, they do roll, but they're not perfectly round. Okay, let's see. So I'm trying to make mine complicated here. So you can make your maze really easy or really complicated if you really enjoy making these and you want a little bit more, let me know. I can get you some more wiki sticks. I do have plenty. I just didn't send a ton home with you guys. All right, so now mine, I don't have a little tiny bead to stick in there, but so I've kind of built this maze, and you drop your beads in wherever your start is. You can put both of them in there. My other one does have two in there. Snap your lid down, and then just by tilting it, your beads will move around and you can navigate them through your maze. So when you get tired of it, take it apart and build a new one. This falls into the engineering part of STEM. So we're building things, and creating, using our imaginations to make a really cool labyrinth or maze. As always, if you get your maze made, I would love to see it. So send me a picture or a video of it on Facebook or to my email. I would love to see what you guys are working on. The library is now open, so you could stop in and see us. So we're all wearing masks or we're behind locked doors. But if I'm in my office, please stop and say hi. Love to see you guys. I don't want to go any longer, so I am going to end here. But I hope you guys all make your mazes, and I will hopefully see everybody soon. Thanks. Bye. Okay, I'm terrible at ending the videos. They don't like to turn off.